Okay, so I have Charisse here, and she's had her fasting smile for 2 years, correct, Charisse?
Yes, I have.
Awesome, and you look absolutely amazing,
Thank you
beautiful.
so much.
So just tell me now what, how many compliments are you getting a day? Like I know I walked into the room and you told me like I'm getting compliments from random strangers
All
at the
day
store.
long.
Tell me, what did they
At the
say?
store, your smile is beautiful. You look so young. Even my classmates at school, when we have reunions, everybody can notice the difference in my smile and everything, and my confidence.
And then what made you make the decision of coming here to Fast New Smile?
When I see my brother teeth,
So your brother had his teeth done here with us,
Yes.
and then you seen him and you're like,
I
okay,
got to do it. I don't know how I'm gonna get it done, but I have to do it.
I
And
love
God
it.
made a way, and it's what's possible. And now look at this.
Awesome. You look super gorgeous,
Thank you
absolutely
so
stunning,
much.
beautiful, very very nice smile.
Yes.
Jeez.
All the way.
Beautiful. Love it. Awesome.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for your time and for being an amazing patient. You're
Thank you
awesome.
so